just spent 2 weeks in Mumbai for the workshop at École intuit.lab Mumbai.
This experience here has been extremely interesting in terms of meeting new students, another culture.
It's been an amazing experience over the week because we kind of worked in groups and we worked together to bring this to life.
This experience was amazing for me because it was a new context.
I think the people are very warm, very welcome. It's very colorful. The food is amazing. Just like Mexican food, there is many varieties. So anywhere I've been to eat, it's just been, a pleasure.
I always wanted to come to India, so I'm very happy to have my first experience.
This week was an amazing week, honestly.
What I like about Mumbai is that it's really different from France.
The students are particularly nice. I've been very lucky with my group.
Everyone here is very positive.
People are really nice.
Here at school, at École intuit.lab Mumbai, you feel really peaceful and everything is so chill, everybody's so friendly. You feel like home, you just want to stay and work here.
And thank you to intuit.lab for bringing this experience to life for us.
If I want to come back, for sure.